Hello, Tradingview. So I'm gonna do a quick start of the week analysis for crypto. Let me pull up Market Solver Pro on the chart, and just to quickly update everybody that we updated the script to include market presets. We have forex, crypto, and stocks. So since we're gonna be doing crypto analysis, let's put it on crypto, and let's turn on the support resistance lines as well, and let's see where market is headed perhaps. So inside the strategy panel for BTC, price is heading towards resistance levels again. Our signals are not producing anything. This is ranging, and basically it's afraid of this, right? You don't want to be trading anywhere near here, maybe unless you are on the 1 minute trying to scalp, because this can easily be resisted, and just fall back down to this minor support level here, and it seems like it's doing that now. All right, so that's BTC. ETH is probably a little worse off. It's exactly in the middle of the range, and no trades, no signals, no major signals that can be seen. All right, so last week was a good run up. If you're holding profits on ETH, break even, then you can consider to keep holding it. On Binance, very similar. So everything is just ranging now. So if you have any open long positions, I would suggest actually, if you just if you're close to your entry, just try to exit it and wait for clear moves next week. Right? So maybe just to go back a bit, Market Solver Pro actually produced a buy signal here last week on BNB and other crypto pairs. I think we did an analysis on Cardano as well. We'll look into that next. So a shoot up here could have trailed profits on this green stop loss line. As I mentioned in my previous video, I like to do 1:1 and hold it on 1:1. So if I did that on this buy, here you go. It's a rough 1:1 trade, right? In profits, I would still be holding it. It's under the range, and we never know, right? Nobody can predict the market. We can just manage our risk. So this can potentially continue higher. And if it does, then we can move our stops closer to the price. Right? So look at Cardano. Cardano is actually, there's a deep retracement. It's ranging, so I wouldn't say this is a reversal yet. And we'd also like to see what happens if it approaches resistance, and let's see if it breaks support. So again, if you have any open positions here, I would just get out for now if you're at a small loss. And let's do quickly Solana. Much more choppy. Minor resistance has been formed here. So if it breaks, does something like this, then it can, can do a short trade here, a quick long trade, and it can easily just form a wider range. So if you're a trend trader, which Market Solver Pro is, there's really no signals right now. But if it does produce a signal here, you can take it with very tight risk management. Maybe just take profit at this reversal area, but a cleaner trade, with respect to your capital preservation, is really just wait for this whole snafu to finish. Wait for it to break higher, Confirmation definitely. If this happens, Market Solver Pro will produce a signal somewhere here. It's gonna check volume levels. It's gonna check momentum. It's gonna check price action. This would be a cleaner trade, right? If you enter um, somewhere around here, right? For the more seasoned traders, they might do a break and pullback entry, without any indicators, just pure price action. But if you need help, we have Market Solver Pro to help you with that. On on the same vein, um, it can also range this way. You know, just finish this range, break here. Market Solver will probably produce a signal here, although this is something on my personal discretion I wouldn't take. Um, for the main reason that no overall, I think this is going up, so this might fake out and go back into the range, right? So similar analysis for all the other cryptos, currently in a range. If you're in a position right now, it's just chopping around. Just preserve your capital, take a small loss, take the exit, manage your risk, live to trade another day. Don't crash and burn. So that's it. See you in the market, guys.